I'm Cheryl from the Dean's Office, and we want to welcome you to the Howard R. Hughes College of Engineering on the campus of UNLV. Behind me is just one of the buildings where you'll take some of your engineering classes. Why don't we take a minute and go inside? This is the Great Hall, and it's a wonderful place to meet your study groups or just come and relax. We also have a lot of engineering student associations that have their meetings here, so you'll probably get to know it pretty well. And here's an office you should get to know, the Dean's Office. Let's pop inside and see if he's here.
One thing I can say about College of Engineering is that we are a great hands-on engineering program. We are not a theoretical engineering program. And our engineering students will build projects, build bridges, prototypes, which you may see in the market one day. We all agreed on a mission statement, which is educate, engage, inspire, innovate. So we want to educate our students. Of course, when you want to educate them, first of all, you got to inspire them and engage them. That's how you educate them. And we not only want to educate and inspire our students, we want to inspire our faculty members and community partners. We already have great facilities and a great workshop where you can build and weld anything and machine anything, state-of-the-art machining facility. We have a great electronics shop, and research labs are excellent. Actually, we have a lot of wet labs, dry labs, great computational facilities. Actually, we have a supercomputing center, which we have access to, the student and faculty have access to. One thing that's good about UNLV is that every student that graduates from our college, every undergraduate, graduate student, graduates from this college, would have come through the Dean's Office. Most of them I would know personally. I cannot say that of big schools. At UNLV, we care. The chairs will know the student, the deans will know the student, the associate deans will know the students. The advising center definitely has seen the student at least 8 to 10 times throughout their career, yeah, maybe more. Our industry partners work very closely with us. They are giving the students a lot of scholarships. They are giving them internships. So our students don't have to go anywhere in terms of hands-on training, working in the community. If they need money because they cannot afford it, we have scholarships for them. So the university and our college is doing everything possible because we want these students. We want to make engineers out of them. And whatever it takes, we will do that.
As Dean Venkat stated, everyone here in the College of Engineering is here to help you succeed. Let's go meet a few of our faculty.
I'm Professor Baker. I teach in electrical and computer engineering. It offers classes in everything from how to design computers to how to deliver power to homes. It's like a really wide number of jobs that you can hold. You might get a job as an engineer for the power company. You may get a job working at, say, a company designing computer components. You might work in a company that does programming because you'll still have a good background in programming. So there's just a wide range of things you can do.
Welcome to the Department of Computer Science. I am Lakshmi Gewali, the chair of the department.
Hi, and I'm Fatma Nossos. I'm a faculty in the Department of Computer Science. Our students should feel good about coming to UNLV's Computer Science Department for a lot of reasons. The opportunities that are available for them in terms of student organizations, very small class sizes and classes that are being taught by the faculty, and also the labs that are divided into smaller groups for the students to have the best learning experience while coding with their peers and teaming up in coding projects.
Hi, I'm Don Hayes. I'm the chair of the Civil and Environmental Engineering and Construction Department here at UNLV. I want to welcome you to the College of Engineering. Civil engineers work on projects that are related to society and making society better, as well as helping society live within the environment. Many people think about civil engineers working on infrastructure projects, such as bridges and roads, buildings. That's true, we do much of that. We also do many other things, including managing infrastructure, and working in other industries, whether it be the aerospace industry or many other industries where there are civil engineers that contribute. Civil engineers also work a lot in government agencies and regulatory affairs.
My name is Brendan O'Toole. I am a mechanical engineer. I am the chair of the Mechanical Engineering Department here at UNLV. Mechanical engineers solve problems related to the design, manufacture, and maintenance of products or systems. So a product could be any type of vehicle, it could be a consumer product, it could be an industrial product, and a system could be a power plant, it could be a house or building energy system, or it could be a manufacturing plant.
We have a lot of resources for you in the College of Engineering. We have an advising center, a tutoring center, a STEM librarian, and even an internship and career services office.
Hi, I'm Marion Mason. I'm the Internship and Career Services Coordinator for the College of Engineering at UNLV. We do everything we can to connect students and employers together.
Sue Wainscott, I'm the engineering librarian, and I work over in the lead library, the main pretty library building. There are a lot of librarians and staff in my building and across campus that can help with all sorts of questions. We have somebody over in the law library who can help with patent searching if you have an invention and you want to go make your millions. We can help you design your first search for patent documents.
Another place you really want to get to know is the Engineering Tutoring Center. There you're guaranteed to meet other engineering students as well as tutors. And sometimes it's nice to know that they've taken the exact same classes you have and have had the same experiences that you're going to.
I come and do most of my homework here because if I get stuck on a particular problem or point, there's always somebody close at hand that I can ask.
A recurrent theme in our college, and something we're really proud of, is the opportunity for our undergraduate students to get real hands-on learning. There are even research opportunities if you're a standout student.
And I have students that work for me, undergrads that work. A lot of times I like the undergrads because they're motivated, they really have neat ideas, they think outside the box.
But more importantly, they get some direct mentoring from faculty and an opportunity to really get to know faculty on a one-to-one basis.
Here in the College of Engineering, our faculty and students are working on some pretty exciting projects. From robotics to potable water, renewable energy to cybersecurity, there's never a dull moment in this college.
A major competition that we participated in, the Solar Decathlon program, we were placed #1 in the United States and #2 in the whole world. Students built a 800 square feet home, sustainable, solar energy, saving water for our desert environment. In the DARPA Robotics Challenge, where DARPA asked about 25 teams to build a humanoid robot for disaster relief. The idea is a humanoid robot should drive a vehicle, open a door, get inside, pick one of the power drills, there are 4 or 5 of them, and cut a hole in the drywall, turn off a valve, walk through debris, climb about 5 or 6 stairs. And we did so well. And that's the kind of experience our students will get at UNLV. We have a competition called Fred and Harriet Cox Senior Design Competition. Basically, every engineering student throughout the world, they all have to build something to graduate. They have to design and build something to graduate. This year, we will give out about $40,000 worth of prize money. And this will be undergraduates from electrical, mechanical, civil, entertainment engineering, computer science. They will all be competing.
Our senior design project is called Safety Sensor System, and it's a system that lets a parent or a caregiver know if they've forgotten their kid or pet in the car.
Kyle and I wanted to make a product that gave basketball players a different way to shoot baskets during practice. And that way was to build a launch system with 2 wheels that can have 3 balls ready to launch and a stepper motor to make sure that you can get your shot off in time. And that's how you practice basketball the best way possible to create muscle memory.
We bring in always industry judges. We evaluate them on technical merit, design, most importantly, commercial potential. I want to see these products seen in Walmart and Target, sold and bought by people.
My engineering classes at UNLV have given me the resources and the knowledge in order to take an idea to something physical and put it on a circuit board and actually bring it to a point to where we can bring it out to the market.
Recently, we worked with a local family who had a 4-year-old daughter who didn't have a fully functioning hand. She had Poland syndrome, and they wanted help making a prosthetic device that would allow her to feel like the other girls in school. And so we helped. That was something that our mechanical engineering students were able to actually design and print a hand for her and give it to her that let her feel a little bit more like all the other girls in class.
As a new student, wouldn't it be nice to know what you need to do to succeed? Wouldn't it be good to have a little insider information? Well, all you have to do is ask.
For incoming freshmen and transfer students, get to know your resource people, not just librarians, but there are a lot of people on campus whose job is to make sure that you have a good progression and a good experience while you're at university.
Be familiar with what the university and the college provides you in terms of services. Get to know the faculty and staff, especially the advising center. They always have very valuable advice. But also, again, talk to your professors, because there may be something that they could only give you in terms of information.
Being in the College of Engineering, the one advice I will definitely give is learn, make friends, and be able to work at it as a team. You work as a team outside of class, studying together, and you work inside of class by finishing programs together when you're allowed to work as groups. But if you're not, you will always help each other out, because one person will always be better at something else while you have your own strong suits. And when that time comes, you always put your part in and basically help each other out as a group. And you all kind of walk the line together and grab your diploma at the end.
If you come to UNLV, you are going to be part of a family which cares for you, which will make sure that you get the right training, the right type of experience, and you will be employed if you want to be employed, or you will be creating and employing people if that's what you want to do. And we have world-class faculty members. We have faculty members from Purdue, MIT, Berkeley, Stanford, all the great schools. So the education that you're going to get here at UNLV is not going to be any different in terms of content, but in terms of experience, it's going to be great. So we have every possible opportunity you need, scholarships that you want, and the experience that you would crave for. And when you leave here, you will be so happy that you will be sending your kids here. That's how confident I am about our school.